When printing a report or a letter within CTS in Microsoft Word, the error 5852 will show when you accidentally click No on the pop-up window when merging the file. Click N to close the window. In the same Microsoft Word document, click on Mailings, Start Mail Merge. Click on Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. In the right bottom side of the Word document, on Step 1, click Next. On Step 2, click Next. On Step 3, click on Browse and search for the CT $temp folder and go to your CT $temp folder, usually is on your local C drive, unless your IT team has created a different location for your CTS temp folder. Open the CT $temp folder and, in Sources, select All Files. From the list of available files, select the CTS data, CT$, click Open. The Delimiters window will open. In the field delimiter, select and scroll down to the pipe, and in the record delimiter field search for the upper arrow. Click OK. On the next window, just click OK. Click Next to go to Step 4. Click Next. On Step 5, also click Next. And once you got to Step 6, click on File and select Save As. Make sure you save the Word document into your FlexTrac CTS Forms folder. If the pop-up window shows, click on Replace the existing file, click OK. Close your Word document and try to print again.